In this section, you learned how AI applications are revolutionizing cybersecurity by enhancing threat detection, automating responses, and optimizing resource allocation. You explored the benefits AI brings to cyber defense, such as advanced analytics, real-time monitoring, and predictive capabilities, which significantly bolster security measures. However, you also delved into the challenges, including data privacy concerns, the need for large datasets, and the potential for adversaries to exploit AI vulnerabilities. Through various case studies, you examined real-world implementations of AI in cybersecurity, highlighting successful strategies and common pitfalls. These case studies provided concrete examples of how organizations have leveraged AI to detect anomalies, mitigate risks, and respond to incidents more efficiently. You also reviewed theoretical models that integrate AI with cybersecurity, gaining an understanding of frameworks and algorithms that support the development and deployment of AI-driven security solutions. Looking ahead, you discussed future trends in AI and cybersecurity, such as the increasing role of machine learning, the evolution of AI-driven threat intelligence, and the importance of ethical considerations in AI deployment. This forward-looking perspective equipped you with insights into how emerging technologies and methodologies may shape the cybersecurity landscape. Overall, this section provided a comprehensive overview of the intersection between AI and cybersecurity, emphasizing the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in this dynamic field. You gained valuable knowledge on both the practical applications and theoretical underpinnings of AI in cyber defense, preparing you to better understand and address the complexities of modern cybersecurity challenges.